Hello friends, today I want to show you how to make a watermark in CapCut. First of all, I'll ask you to like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get started. To make a watermark in CapCut, we go to the top left corner of the menu and click on the text option. Then tap and hold to drag the text down to the timeline. If you want the watermark to be on the entire video, you should stretch the text line with the watermark so that it's displayed throughout the video. To do this, click on the right edge of the text and drag it to the end. So, when you play the video, you'll see the text added. To transform it into a watermark, increase its transparency. We'll go to the top right of the menu, and here we can enter a watermark or your text. I'll write the name of my channel. Then scroll down to find the opacity setting. As you can see, this setting is necessary to change the transparency of your text. Click and hold while dragging it to the left to make the text more transparent. For this example, I'll make this setting equal to 25, but you can test it and choose the desired transparency option for yourself. Like any text in CapCut, you can place it anywhere on the screen and change it as you wish. You can place the text on the left side, right side, or rotate. Thanks for watching and see you in other CapCut videos.